I'm going to show you how to make hemp milk. So very similar to like an almond milk or a nut milk, but we're using ground hemp seeds instead. So beautiful hemp seeds packed with omega-3s, great for the environment, really sustainable. They all go into a blender with some water, some dates for sweetness, and a pinch of sea salt, and then you pass it. It's that easy. The key ingredient to making hemp milk is hemp or hemp seeds that have been ground and hulled, which are these bad boys right here. So they're super high in omega-3s, they're nutty, they're really creamy, and they're gonna blend up and make the most amazing, sort of really quite rich, beautiful milk that's perfect for smoothies, perfect for coffees. And it's so simple. Whack it in the fridge, it'll last a week, and just keep using it. You can make it at home, you're in control. Everything into a high power blender, crack it on high, and what we want to do is break up and blend all of those hemp seeds until they release their oil into the liquid or into the water, and then we're going to pass it, and then you've got milk. You want to blend it for about 3 to 4 minutes. You don't want it to get too hot, but you want to break up all of those hemp seeds and you want to make sure they're releasing all those beautiful oils. If you want it sweeter, you just add more dates. You can add vanilla bean in there, you can add chai in there. You know, once you've learned this basic recipe, you can, make it your own. So with a clean cloth or, a super fine strainer, what I'm going to do is just strain out all the solids, and then we're left with the milk, good to go for a coffee or a smoothie. It'll last in the fridge a couple of weeks.
Is there a faster method?
I'm sure there is. I'm done. So that is the gorgeous hemp milk. It is so rich in omega-3s, high in protein, and you can see how viscous it is. All vegan, just blend it up, dates, ground hemp seeds, a bit of water. It's easy. That is our gorgeous hemp milk, super simple, and what better to serve homemade milk than some hemp cookies. If you want this recipe, check out bondiharvest.com. If you want this recipe, check out bondiharvest.com. If you like what we do, share us with your friends, make sure you subscribe. And if you want more information about hemp, hemp seeds, Aussie hemp grown seeds, the good stuff, make sure you check out hemple.com as well.